Oqtane community, welcome back to another tutorial on Oqtane series. You can check our Oqtane playlist by going to our channel. In my previous video, I showed you how to install and use the SightSpeak FAQ module in Oqtane. If you haven't checked that out, be sure to watch it after this one. And today's video is going to be a short one. I will walk you through how to customize the SightSpeak FAQ module in just a few steps. So let's get started. First, log in to your Oqtane dashboard and navigate to the page where you have added the FAQ module. If you don't have it added yet, refer to the previous video where I showed how to do that. And now click on the gear icon to access the module setting. Click on edit icon, manage setting. This is where you can begin customize the FAQ to fit your Oqtane website style. And now here you can update the FAQ style. If you want to make the FAQ look unique, you can update this style here. Also, you can add your custom style by going to gear icon, admin dashboard, and there you can upload your custom CSS. So here you can change the settings on the accordion header, background color. You can see the FAQ layout now has a fresh new look. You can fully customize the FAQ's appearance to match your website branding, and once you are happy with the changes, don't forget to save your work and let's preview it on the live site. And that's it. In just a few minutes, we have customized the FAQ module to fit the look and feel of your site. You can tweak the design, update the questions, and more to create an FAQ that works for you. I hope you found this quick tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Oqtane tips and tricks. If you have any questions or want to see more customization tutorial, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.